big differentiator is that they've integrated it into one package. The data is stored on the UAV, so you can easily download it once you're on the ground. So once we land, we can Bluetooth the data down in literally less than a minute, bring it into a separate app on the same tablet and view it and review it, make sure we've got everything that we need. And then we can also drag it out into some other type of GIS database like Google Earth.
You use the MD Viewer app to import the data, downloads the CSV file, and you can take that tablet back to the office, and it can't get any easier than that.
The Microdrones mdTector1000 series, you're able to not only map out the data that has been collected from the UAV after the fact, but also see real-time what the drone is viewing. So you can see first-person view of what the sensor is looking at if you're flying over a pipeline to ensure you're staying over that pipeline, as well as the parts per million in methane gas that it's detecting at that point. So if you start to see that you're detecting gas in a certain area, you can stop the waypoint mission and actually fly over that area to kind of pinpoint where that methane gas leak is coming from.
It turned it from going back to the office and doing a bunch of filters and sorts in Excel to you can analyze the data right out here in the field.